You guys, we're back here, Long Beach, baby. It's been a minute, but it's been raining out here. Fishing hasn't been good, I'm not gonna lie, during the winter, but we're in spring, in the middle of spring, I think, and it's about to be summer soon, so you're gonna see more videos coming out. Good news, we're getting a boat. We're getting a bigger and better boat, and that's what we've been planning for this new year. So let's see how we do today. It's our first time back out, so we're gonna use live bait this time. Let's see what we could do.
You're too slow.
First fish on.
Nice.
Let's see what we got. Oh, it looks good.
They're all good.
They're all gonna be good today, you guys. Woohoo!
Oh, that is a nice one.
Nice one. Let's see.
Oh man. Nice calico.
All right, baby. Legal all day. Nice. Check them out, you guys.
Come on, Ruben.
Woo. Come on. That was good.
Around over here, too. Look at it, you have to come over here.
Oh. Got this guy right here. Nice. Nice one, nice one.
Put attention, boy.
Woo, you guys. Got him.
I got a couple bites, but
Live bait, live bait.
I bet, baby.
Pick him up, pick him up. Yeah.
We go beat them up, get them in the boat.
Nice, bro.
Right.
Nice.
Oh, yeah. Whack it hard.
Hold on, hold on.
Yeah.
Good one. Little guy. Nice. Quick with it, come on. Yeah, baby. Got it, go. Get another one. Yep. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah.
The whole time?
Oh yeah. Come on. Different color, different fish. Nice.
You don't listen, Linda.
Come on. Woo-hoo-hoo. Get him. Get him.
Get him off, hurry.
No,
Get him
that's
off.
you.
Here, right here.
Yeah, listen, bro. Come on, bro. Why haven't you listen? Nice. Do the thing now. Do the thing. Do the thing now. Grab it by the mouth.
Let's see.
Grab it by the mouth. Grab it by the mouth.
Look at me. Oh, yeah. Again.
Go. Grab it by the mouth. Go. It's so easy, bro. Get him, Caesar. That's right. Nice. Yeah.
Go. Oh, that's
Legal.
a nice one.
Legal, baby.
That's right. Boy,
Nice.
right there. Look at me.
Whoa.
Just for you, Johnny. Just for you. You need some lessons?
No way. Damn.
Got another one.
Oh, this is crazy, dude.
Yeah, baby.
That's crazy. Look at him.
Oh,
What are you
that's it.
doing?
Oh, that's it, Johnny. Give it up, boy. Give it up, boy. Yeah, buddy. This is all for the video right here, brother.
What the hell?
It barely hit the wall.
Oh! It's a good one.
Oh, he's got a monster. Save the best for last.
Oh man.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Does he still reign as champ? Look at Ruben. He's getting mad. Bait was way up there.
It's a good one. Damn, he's a fighter. Yeah, baby. Look at that.
Nice. Oh, that's a nice one.
Nice.
Got you.
Oh my gosh, check him out.
All right.
Again.
Oh,
What do you
oh,
got?
this is,
Oh,
You better quit playing with them and get them up on it.
He likes it. Oh! What do we get? What do we get today?
Give me the.
We're already done. We're already done.
What is it?
Halibut.
Look at that. You want me to get it?
Nice.
Look at that. Now what? See? That's what we came for.
Oh yeah. Let me get a video of this. Hold on, hold on. Nice.
See that, Ethan?
Floor. Hold up.
You keeping that one?
No, heck no.
I like my setup right there, John.
There he goes.
Look at.
Alright, we made it back. Today was a good day. My brother killed it. Every time I bring him out, he's very rare but very good. And let's see what happens next time. This is the guy right here.
Yeah.
What do you talk your shit?
You
bro.
call me if you needed some disaster in your life, because I'm the master of disaster.
Well, that's it, you guys. Let's see what happens next time. Today was just a warm-up. Hopefully next time we have the boat, a new boat. Next time you see that behind this truck, this will be a new boat. All right then, guys. See you guys. Peace. Hey, what's up, everyone? We're back. This is a part 2. I don't know if I'm putting it in one video or separate it. We're gonna see. I'll probably put it in the same video for spring. This is May 3rd, 2024. I feel like today's a good day. High tide is right now, actually, so we're gonna try to fish the high tide going down, and we're gonna use live bait. We're bringing some people on the boat today. We got people over there too. The people from I forgot what video it was, but it's the one that has the most views. They're right there. They got their own boat now. You see what happens when you bring people on the boat? They start getting into it. We create like people that want to do more fishing. That's what we want from you guys too, to just like the sport and just to grow the sport as well. But we're right here in Long Beach. We're gonna fish the breakwall. We're using live bait. We got some new fishermen coming on the boat today, so this is another new year, new people. They want to see what we do. We're gonna show them what we do, and hopefully today's a good day. We're gonna catch some bass, and yeah, let's wish me luck, you guys, and let's see what happens today. Today should be a very good day. Legal, baby. First fish, legal, coming up. My dad wanted a big one, he said. And they look good right now.
Yeah, healthy.
Here we go. Flopping them on the boat. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, baby. Woohoo! That's the one. That's the one. I know it's. Oh, we're barely hooked on the right side. Look. Let me get you. Nice one, you guys. Oh, we can't measure, but he's illegal. There you go. Gotta go now. There you go. Come on, big boy. You saw that? All right, calico coming up. Another good sized one. Woo! Look at him, guys. Damn! Another legal, baby. Yeah. Yeah, you motherfucker.
Sit on the water for a little bit. Yeah, just in the front.
Look this up again. Yeah, oh, there he goes. I got him out, bro. He's right there. I can see him. Hey, this guy's good, Holmes. This guy's good, like very good. Oh, damn. You want to help me out?
No. Just
Oh,
keep tension on him.
I'm keeping tension. My boy's on over there too.
Pop him on the boat, man. Drop him in the boat. Look at that, beautiful.
Get him in there. Let's go! Doubles, baby! Doubles, baby! That's what I'm talking about! Let's go, bro! Come on, dog! Jeez, okay. Go back with it, I'll take him off right now. Yeah, I got him. Oh, he's got it right on the mouth too, perfect. Don't throw him in yet, okay? If you got pliers, take him off. Don't throw him in, we gotta show you. Yeah.
Keep him, mijo, if you want him. It's up to you. Do you have a license?
Yeah.
Okay.
Got a fish grappling too, bro.
These mustard hooks. Alright. I got him.
Oh, you got him?
You pop him off? Okay. Let's pull up.
How you grab him?
By the mouth, see? Like that? Yeah. Just don't touch his teeth and just grab him inside. There you go, like that. You got it. There you go, fool. That's what I'm talking about. Just like that. Look, boom. Look it. There you go. You want to come fishing, huh? Look at my boy right here. Catching fish, dog. Whoever wants to come on the boat, let me know. Look it. That's what you be getting right there when you come with us.
That
Sheesh.
was a good fish, but
Good
since that
shit.
was my first one, I'm gonna let him go.
Let him go, yeah. You'll catch more right now, don't worry. But we're right next to them and they're right here munching on bait or something. I don't even know what they're munching on, but
Over there.
dude, they're all chilling right there. Bro, the fish is mad that I got him. I got one. Oh yeah. Woo. We're rocking them today. Oh yeah. Hold on, stop moving, man. Woo. Come on, fish. Time to come back up. I'll let you fight me, I'm gonna fight you now, bro. Okay? I see you right there. Yeah! Right in the mouth, too, again, on the mustard. Woo-hoo-hoo. Nice. Ooh, you're mad? Huh? Don't be mad, bro. Hey. I was tripping out. Look at that fool when he goes in the water. I was like, look at him. I thought it was that big, bro. I was like, no way. Oh, yeah, this is a big boy, though. Swallowed it. Woo. Check him out, you guys. Check him out. I'm about to do surgery, so I'll say peace out to him. Peace out, bro. Bye. They're here. Come on, come in here, Calico. Come on. Nice. Mustard hook. Oh, how do you get? Oh yeah, my boy right here. Still biting. We're about to hit the rigs right now. Come on. Oh, he's a fighter. Oh, nice. Bring him up. Bring him up. Nice. Barely. Nice one, bro. Mustard hook. Popped off and it came back, baby. That's what we're talking about. Woo, back at the rig, baby. Part two. That was crazy. Yeah. Check him out. Got Robert over there. Jeez. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Come on, Rasik. Woo, Calico. Thought this was the last one. Still here. Come on, Hans. Gotta get back in there. There you go. Oh. Probably one of the last ones for the rigs today. Did pretty good today. Oh yeah. It's a little fighter right here, man. Nice one, man. Yeah, let it go. Right on the lip. We're gonna go fish the inside. Hopefully we get something. If not, we'll you guys go off. He blessed you.
Blessed it.
That was the last one right there. We're going inside and mess around, but I'm pretty sure that's the last one.